So my last video just cut off and didn't finish example 2a, so I'm going to do that right now. So we talked about how it was in standard form, x squared x 6. This is my a is 1, my b is 5, and my c is 6. So when I multiply ac, I get 6. My possible factors, 1 times 6, 2 times 3, and we could also have a -1 times a -6. That also makes a positive. And a -2 times a -3 also gives me a positive. So I want to choose the pair that adds to b 5. So I want b to be equal to 5. So this pair adds to a 6. There's my 5 right there. This adds to be, I'm sorry, that pair adds to be 7, doesn't it? This adds to be -7. This adds to be -5. So you can see if I want it to be a positive 5, I'm going to choose this pair right there. All right, so then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take and split this middle term up using these two numbers. So I'm going to rewrite the whole thing. So I'm going to write my x squared, but in place of 5x, I'm going to use 2x plus 3x. So 2x's plus 3x's, we'll replace that 5x, and then I have plus 6. All right, so now I have 1, 2, 3, 4 terms, and I can do as we did in the last videos and group 2, group 2. So in common here is an x. That leaves me with x plus 2. I'm going to always use this third sign right there. And then this parenthesis, this group has a 3 in common. So I can factor out a 3, and I'm left with x plus 2. So now my two terms have the x plus 2 in common. So I'll factor that out and be left with the x plus 3 in a parentheses. And now I have it in factored form. You can double check it to see that it works out. X times x is x squared. X times 3 is 3x, and 2 times x is 2x. So that's 5x, and then 2 times 3 gives me the 6. So I can multiply and come back to that answer. So here we have it. So pick up in the next